Welcome back to ClearTask. Today I will show you exactly how to recover a lost guest account in Free Fire. Let's get right into it. First, open Free Fire and log out of your current account. Once you are back on the main login screen, tap on Guest to log in. If you don't already have a temporary guest ID, go ahead and create a new one. Once you are in the game, open your settings menu. Look for the recovery option. If you don't see the recovery button, don't panic. There are two common reasons for this. First, if you just created this new guest ID, it might take up to 7 days for the recovery button to appear. Second, guest accounts are stored locally on your device. To verify your data is still there, open your phone's file manager, search for the word guest, and check if your old Free Fire data files exist. If they do, the recovery option will show up. When the recover option is available, tap it. A warning will appear stating that your current guest account will be replaced. Confirm the action. If your old files are intact on your phone, you will see a restore success message. Now, this is the most important step. Do not log back in immediately. Log out of the guest account and wait for 5 to 6 hours. This gives the Free Fire system enough time to synchronize your old data properly. After waiting, log back in with your guest ID, and your original account should be fully restored. As a quick pro tip, always link your account to a social profile to prevent losing it again. If this method helped you, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.